I am about to show you the most disgusting iPad I have ever seen. It's a 5-year-old iPad, but the way it is, it's unbelievable. I've been charging all night. It didn't turn on. I had to wear my gloves. I cut it. So here's the iPad. The case is broken. Look, everything is falling apart like that. And I was trying to remove the case from the housing, but it's something in there. Look, I have to use my strange, I don't even know what that is. Oh my God, look at this. Unbelievable. How would you leave your iPad like that? Look at the hair. It's something spill in there. I don't know what that is. It's unbelievable. So even this button, it's messed up. Screen doesn't turn on. LCD is broken, I guess, too. So we're gonna deep clean this iPad and try to see if we can fix it. Watch until the end to see this sick process. Let's go. I'm gonna clean it first and then start repairing. Whatever he spilled inside the case, it took the skin off the case. Look at this hair. Wow. And look at this part. Disgusting. What is this? Can someone tell me? Even the port. Oh, looks like they never removed the case from the iPad. power button don't even click. It's that bad. Look at that. Surgery time. The battery looks bad. Look at this battery. Look at that and look at this. How swollen. It's pregnant. Even the inside is dirty. And it looks water damage up here. Hey, how did you get hair here? I'm gonna lose this screw a little bit so we can press the button. There you go. Now we can click a little bit. I'm testing the LCD. You see the Apple logo right there, how dark it is. So we gotta replace the LCD as well. Let's test this. Here we go. Apple logo. Nice. This case stinks so bad. Mira. Not bad. This one is also so close. The moment you all have been waiting. Your iPad is ready. Search. Now it's good to go. Look at that. Can I get a wow? Look at this. It's clean. And it's good to go. That's how we do it. You want to see the case? This is outside, nice and clean. And this one as well. That's how you do it. Make sure you like, share, and comment.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never